Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your TradingView chart black. First, open your chart and locate the settings icon, usually a gear. Click on it to bring up the chart settings dialog box. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your chart's look and feel. We'll focus on the Appearance tab to begin our transformation, ensuring a sleek, dark interface. Once in the chart settings, navigate to the Appearance tab. Here, you'll see various options for your chart's visual elements. Find the Background section. Click on the color swatch next to it. A color picker will appear, allowing you to select a pure black or a very dark shade of gray. This sets the primary dark tone for your chart. After setting the background, it's crucial to adjust your candlesticks. Within the Symbol tab of Chart Settings, you can change the colors for bullish and bearish candles. Choose colors that stand out clearly against your new black background, perhaps a bright green for up candles and a vibrant red for down candles. Don't forget to adjust the borders and wicks for optimal contrast. To make your dark theme permanent, save your settings as a template. Look for the template drop-down menu at the bottom of the chart settings window. Select Save As and give your new dark theme a memorable name. You can then easily apply this template to any new or existing chart, ensuring a consistent and comfortable dark mode experience across TradingView.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.